Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Katrina. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really cute deep wave Kim Kardashian inspired hairstyle. I think this would be really cute for Valentine's Day or anything really, like, no, it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. Anything, even if you're just freaking going out to get the mail. You want to look cute, right? Before we get into this video, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, keep watching. Okay, so I am starting off with my natural hair. I washed my hair 2 days ago, and I specifically left it like this because I knew I wanted to do this video. The only thing I put in is this Shea Moisture leave-in treatment. I only put this because it really controls my frizz. So that's mainly what I wanted to do. I wanted to keep my texture, but I wanted to control my frizz. With this style, I would recommend doing it on your naturally textured hair. If you have super curly hair, you might want to smooth it out just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And if you have super fine hair, I would say after you wash it, just maybe use some kind of texturizer or just something to kind of scrunch up and give it just that a little more texture and movement to your hair. This hairstyle was inspired by how Kim Kardashian has been wearing her hair lately. I don't know if this is exactly what she does to get her hair looking like that. I know she definitely has extensions on, so I don't know if just the extensions is what has that texture and then it's kind of blended into her natural hair, or if she has a lace wig on, or if she's just curling it, or if she's just scrunching it. I really don't know. But what I'm going to be showing you guys is how I feel you could kind of create that effect. I am going to be using this little mini deep waver. The brand is Plugged In. I just purchased this from Sally's. I think originally it's $20, but I had a coupon for 15% off, plus I have my pro discount at Sally's. Definitely, if you guys shop at Sally's, definitely sign up for your emails, sign up for the beauty rewards card, and definitely check Instagram, because a lot of times they've put 15% off, 20% off codes that you can use in the store. Before I start this, I'm just gonna spray this Tree Iron Guard all over my hair so we can protect it from the heat. If you want, you could put a picture of it right here, but I like the Kenra Fast Dry Hairspray. If you want, you could spray that if you want to give a little bit more hold. I have texture to my hair, so I don't really want it to give such a hard hold. But if you notice your hair tends to fall flat fast, definitely use a setting spray, just something that will give it a little more hold. I don't want this look to look so done, because then I feel if you do if you section out and do every single piece, then it kind of looks almost crimped in a way, that 80s crimp style. I don't want it to be so done. I'm not gonna get every little piece, but I'm just gonna get enough so that we have that deep wave look. So I'm just gonna demonstrate one piece for you guys just to show you, and then I'm probably gonna fast forward the rest of it because it's pretty simple and I'm pretty much gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna do more sections, I guess, around the face, and then more or less in the back, if that makes sense. Just want to grab your section, put it in between, press down, hold it for a second, let go. Continue the same thing going down. So now you have these little waves. Just gonna kind of toss this to the back. Let's take another random section. Press down. Now, if you don't want it to look so tight, you can definitely leave big gaps in where you clamp down on the section. I'm not going to go past here, so I'm going to leave 2 inches not done, so that way it has a more relaxed look. Now I'm just going to kind of fast forward this part because I'm basically going to be doing the same thing all throughout my hair. I forgot to say, excuse my eyebrows during this whole video. Like, I need to get them done, but also I feel like I want to let them grow because I feel like they're too thin. I don't know. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? I really love it. I feel like it's done without being too done, if that makes sense. I used a smaller iron because I wanted to get a little more definition. I really love it, and I feel like this hair is very like versatile. I'm also happy that I did it on like my natural texture because I feel like if I would have done it on like flat ironed hair, it would have looked maybe like a little too sleek and flat. And obviously you see Kim Kardashian, her extensions are like up to her butt. My hair's not up to my butt, so what I lack in length I make up for in volume. I just did that. If you guys are looking for a cute new style to do, definitely try this out. Like, I love it. I feel like it can definitely be a chill hairstyle, or it definitely can be dressed up, and that's what I really love about it. I'm really loving it. Like, I'm really feeling myself right now, like, for real. I get this little deep waver from Sally's, but there's so many. Like, Hot Tools makes one, Bedhead makes one, but out of all of them I would say this one is the least expensive. Plus Sally's always has some kind of like coupon or deal going on, so definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think of this hairstyle. Comment down below if there's any other hairstyles you'd like to see me do. Again, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.